How to sell photos online. If you are a photographer and you want to sell your photos online, then follow these steps. Firstly, you will need to pick a photography niche. A niche is something where you will put photos or click photos in a special category. For example, if you search on Google or browser, you will find a lot of niches. You can select any of these. It could be wildlife, fashion, events, or anything else. Once you have selected the kind of photo you want to click, then you need to start working. Click as much high quality image as possible. After that, you will find a lot of platforms to sell your photos in. If you just type in photo selling website on your browser, then you will find a lot of websites. You can create your account on these websites and start uploading your photos. These photos can be used on different occasions. For example, people can use these photographs for printing or high quality wallpapers. You will also find websites like Hostingers where you will get all the information about how to sell your photos. So that's all for today. Thank you.